Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've just come again here in the YouTube to speak basically on the English language, and along with that just listening practice as well. So I'm frequently doing these tasks multiple days, and I found out a lot of things which have helped me a lot. So I'm going to say that thing as well. So in this video, first of all, we are going to listen, and after that we will talk about like what are the things we can improve while speaking every day, and how can we basically improve our fluency to speak every day, and taking some sort of challenges which will help us to improve a longer day. So let's jump into the video which I uploaded like uh, like past 1 year back. So on that particular video we will see, and we will check how can we can improve more than that. So stay with me till the end of this video. You will find out a lot of things which you can improve in your English speaking as well, because these skills is very important for every person who want to basically have graduated or some sort of thing, like passed from 10th and 12th. If he knows how to speak and how to communicate with others, so it will be very easy to make friends and get a job, which is very prominent in nowadays. So I'm going to start with this video, which is 4 minute. Hi everyone, welcome back again to this video. I hope you all are having a good day. So आपका हम again here in the video to. So if you see my video, this one, so there is a lot of stuckness while speaking. So this is what happened to a beginner, and I'm also a beginner at that stage, but still I'm making mistake. Doing past couple of months, and today I've got a cue card which is about describing a book that I've recently read. So this is basically I choose a lot of cue card for speaking and taking some difficult task, which is going to work for which helps my mind to work basically, because this is the thing which is very important. Kind of cue card, I think you can also choose a cue card from any browser, and you can speak on that basically. So let's dive into in this video. So I'm very excited about speaking this cue card. So stick with me till the end of this video. So recently the book that I was currently reading, because I so if you are want to speak fluently in English language, you first need to get a lot of wide range of vocabulary, and for that you need to read basically books, because I sometimes stuck while speaking, but because of reading books there is multiple words in my mind which I'm using very easily nowadays, and this is how you can build up some sort of vocabulary in your mind, and you can speak more fluently by after reading books. That is also a big part. I have almost read half, but the book name is like a disciplined trader basically, and in that particular book there's a lot of things which I have learned, because it helps you to master your skills in your mind. Basically, there is nothing with the book is all about like a psychologically preparing yourself basically, and there's lot. So what I found out from this video is I have uploaded like multiple videos, and because like the reason behind it, I am very good at my mind, because if you are like planned something and you are sticking with them and you are working with that basically, so you are able to work on consistent basis, and if you know that you are right and you are have a visions kind of thing, so you can basically do these all things. So and for speaking I think if you found out my channel. So I have uploaded multiple videos, and they are all for beginners who are want to basically see themselves. So they are also like kind of same like as I'm speaking, because you just need to have a solid dedication toward speaking every day, because nobody wants to do the practice. And once you have done that, so you will get the result automatically, and you are basically focus on the result as well only. So there is multiple videos I uploaded every day, and so for the peoples who want to basically see myself or see themselves as well as an English speaker, so these are the things which I'm do frequently in every day to day basis. So if you want to do the same thing, you can also create some sort of channel, or you can be master of English speaking once you have started believing in yourself that you can also do the same thing. So yeah, the my motto is same basically towards doing something. You need to have a solid will, and then working on that basically, because there's a lot of things who are speaking, just not speaking, that is just take action. So in this video I'm just completing this video on this note. So I hope you find it helpful. Bye bye, have a good day.